steps of creating a new note, which is the most basic document within the platform. Get ready to unlock the full potential of PENWOK and revolutionize your productivity. Let's jump right into it. To begin, within the app, click on the Add button. From there, you can select a category for your note. Whether it's for personal, business, or other purposes, this option will help you keep your documents well organized. Once you have chosen a category, you can select the importance level of your note: normal, high, or hidden, also known as confidential. This feature allows you to prioritize your documents based on their significance. If you want to add a website to your note, simply insert an external link. This option creates a convenient shortcut to your desired websites, making access quick and effortless. The phone field is particularly useful if you need to set a reminder for a call. By entering a phone number, you can easily keep track of important phone-related tasks. The location field enables you to utilize the map function on mobile devices, helping you navigate and associate specific locations with your notes. While the title field is the only required field for creating a document, remember that it must contain at least 6 characters. The title should provide a brief description of the document's content. The content field allows you to expand on the information saved in your documents. With a character limit of 2,000, you can provide important details and elaborate on the content. However, please advise that this field is totally optional. Now that we have completed our document, finish it by just simply clicking the Create Document button. Confirm in the pop-up window. Congratulations! You have just learned how to create a new document in PENWOK, the ultimate app for seamlessly managing your notes, schedules, and expenses all in one place. Streamline your life and eliminate the need for multiple apps or platforms. Whether you're capturing important ideas, organizing your daily agenda, or tracking expenses, PENWOK has got you covered. Hope this video made your days easier. Thank you for watching.